Have you noticed our climate is changing? Maybe you have noticed more rain, less snow, or fewer birds and insects. Climate change is already impacting Edinburgh and will continue to do so. We will see higher temperatures and more intense, heavy rainfall, as well as more heat waves and flooding events. We need to reduce our emissions by making more sustainable choices to limit these changes, but we also need to prepare our city and make sure it is climate ready. Science tells us we will get less rain in the summer, but when it does rain, it could fall as very heavy rainfall. You might have seen this happening already. We need to get ready and start to catch and store the rain in winter to use for our trees and shrubs in the summer. You can save water by using a water butt or rainwater planter in your garden. Your garden can play a key role in reducing the severity of flooding. But if you pave or tarmac your front or back garden, then the rainwater has nowhere to go and will add to the floodwater. Keep your garden and driveway green to help your street deal with flooding, and also because soil and real grass are so valuable for wildlife. Always think about where the water will go around your house or flat during a heavy rainstorm. At the same time as thinking about the climate, we also now know that our activities, cutting down trees and removing hedgerows, have affected nature everywhere. It is time to make a special effort to help nature recover too. You can help by planting a tree or hedge in your garden, as both provide homes for wildlife, absorb carbon, keep us cool, and help take up water. Or fill flower pots and hanging baskets with flowering plants. This will help insects like our bees survive. Without the pollinating power of bees, our plants, crops, and food systems would suffer. Science also tells us we are going to get more heat waves, 4 times as many by 2070. So we need to get our buildings, parks, and people ready. For example, thinking about how we keep cool sustainably by planting trees which help cool the city, as well as being great for insects and birds, absorbing carbon, and using water. We are changing the city to help capture and move the water to safer places when it rains. For example, redesigning local parks to hold back water to be used by the plants and trees, evaporate, or safely sink into the soil. You might also see more planting beds in the streets. These are called rain gardens and will help absorb the rain too. They will become part of the flood resilient strategy for the city, as well as helping nature thrive. We are working in partnerships with lots of people and organisations across Edinburgh on projects and plans. We all need to work together because every small change, from a hanging basket to planting a tree or hedge and not paving over your front garden, will help. Our actions today will be the legacy for a future for Edinburgh that is green, healthy, and fair, where people and nature thrive. To learn more about our plans to make a climate-ready Edinburgh, visit our website